Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can redeem the Apple gift card or code on the iPhone 16 series. So on the iPhone, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And the easiest way to redeem the card is to simply go to your home screen and touch and hold on the App Store icon. So touch and hold. Now, if you do not see the App Store icon on the home screen, then you can go to the app library and find it in there. So you can type in App Store and you'll be able to find App Store. So you can touch and hold onto that. And from the pop-up menu, so here, let's go back to the home screen. And if you touch and hold on the App Store icon, from here, you can tap on Redeem. Next, you can choose to use the camera to scan the gift card, or you can enter the code manually. So I'm going to select Enter Code manually. In here, we're going to put in the gift card code. Okay, so for example, I'll put in the code. J K M F and then 1 C 6 C 9. After that, tap on the redeem button. And here it is now searching for the code. Now if you see the error say that cannot redeem code, now this code could have been already been used up, or you have got the wrong information. So if you put in the correct redeem code, you should be able to redeem it by tapping on the redeem button. And if it is successful, then you have your gift card credit to your App Store account. And once it is in your account, you can then go ahead and purchase apps or games or other things in the App Store, available in the App Store. And that's it. So that is how you can easily redeem directly from the shortcut right here. Otherwise, you can open up the App Store. In App Store, we can go down and tap on your account profile icon at the top. Then in the menu here, we can tap on redeem gift card or code. And again, you put in your code manually, or you can use the camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.